Sine new moon ngomhla ka-23 ka-August ezobe iqala isizini yaVirgo. Siyaphuma manje kuLeo. uLeo usiphathele iMercury retrograde, sabambelela kodwa-ke siphumelele silala sesikhona manje. We are welcoming iVirgo season ezosiqala nge-new moon yakhona. I-new moon le izobe isquarisha no-Uranus olaphayana ku-Gemini. If ubuka kuleya cycle yethu yama-zodiac signs uzobona ukuthi if usuka ku-Gemini unyuka uthi Cancer, Leo ufika kuVirgo uzobe usekune-90 degree angle lapho, esho ukuthi ama-energies ahamba ashone phansi abanye ashone phezulu, but at the end of the day aformisha i-square. I-square senza ukuthi kube ne-tension because lawo ma-planets woma-2 awasebenzisani. So whatever planet is la kuVirgo ne-planet ezobe ilaphaya ku-Gemini azobe eclasha futhi esishokha. That is why kuthiwa le new moon yaVirgo izobe ine-shock more than anything ke besides i-square. Another thing ezobe yenza ukuthi isishokhe kakhulu ukuthi ku-Gemini kuno-Uranus. U-Uranus uyamkhumbula wangena ngomhla ka-7 kaJuly, usahleli phela uzohlala for 7 years laphayana. So if lo Uranus beno-Gemini beformisha i-square ne-moon ezobe ilana kuVirgo, isho ukuthi leyo nto those two energies ziya clasha zenza leso square ezizosifoselela ukuthi sibe nama-new beginnings whether we like it or not. So kuzodependa kuwena ukuthi uGemini ukweyiphi house kwi-personal chart yakho, but nje generally speaking u-Uranus lo lapha kuGemini uzokwenza ukuthi ama-image ethu ashintshe kakhulu. Abantu baze bakubuza ukuthi kwenzekeni, wenze kanjani, ushintshe ngani. Also because le new moon elaphaya kuVirgo manje it's like izobe kickstarter ama-eclipses lawa ezayo ngoSeptember, but we will deal with that on another video. It's important ukuthi manje njengoba ingakafika lama-eclipses umuntu amanifeste yonke into ayimanifestayo, because we are not advised ukuthi simanifeste during ama-eclipses. So ke nje for now siyazi ukuthi uVirgo is about i-service, is about health, is about the nervous system, our daily routines, izinto esizenzayo on a daily basis, whatever it is. So we just need to put a positiveness kulezo zinto, and then bese sibuka no-Uranus futhi olaphayana ku-Gemini ukuthi nayo usiphatha kanjani when we have ama-fresh start in our lives. Kodwa nje kuzoba nama-changes amaningi, and lawo ma-changes a-kickstartwa yile new moon in Virgo for you azolasta for 7 years, because u-Uranus lo oshokha le new moon manje uhlezi for 7 years laphayana. So i-energy yakhe inaleyo impact yokuthi mina I'm gonna be in this Gemini zodiac sign for another 7 years. Whatever I'm doing to you as a result of lesi square enginaso noVirgo, it's going to stay and it's going to last for this period. It's up to you to use both these energies wisely. We're aware ukuthi this is what is happening during this new moon, and just embrace it, because lezi zinto lezi ziyenzeka ngaphandle kokuthanda kwethu. It's nature, it's universe yenza into yayo. Okwethu sina nje ukuthi sizifithe in and embrace impilo ne-nature as it is.